What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're gonna tour you to Middleburg, Virginia. Still in Virginia, and I'm with Ate Maida, and she's gonna tour us there and bring us to the Red Sushi restaurant. So stay tuned and watch this. Still driving her Camaro, and you can see there's a lot of beautiful houses over here.
They're very expensive.
Very expensive din daw.
Sending,
Even this one?
yes, most of these houses are very expensive.
But it's not like...
They're small, but they're so expensive.
So we're almost there. Where's the red horse
Tavern. I don't know where to park. Oh God.
There's a lot of people right now.
We can go park.
Yeah, there's a lot of people. No? Weekends kasi. Full parking ah.
I can go in Safeway.
But it's full park as I know.
I know. Let's go there.
They have their church here.
Parking on.
It's like they have parade. Ayun na, Red Sushi. It's over there, and
Yeah.
your destination is on the left.
Yeah, I don't care if it's on the right. The problem is the parking spot.
Ayun, ito ba? Pwede dito?
Yeah, pwede. Ito, handicap hindi,
Ay.
handicap dahil.
Handicap tong bag na to. Ay, ito. Ayan pala, dyan. Pwede dyan, no?
Ano?
Ang layo lalakadin natin, ah. Ito. Here we gotta park.
Ay, hindi ito parkingan siguro.
Driveway to, dahil.
Driveway ito.
Pero, we need to back up.
Doon tayo.
So while she's having a hard time parking her car, I'm just laughing, just kidding. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this off and we're gonna walk. So we are walking now here in Middleburg, and look at this sexy girl here, over here, over here. Kulit lang eh, no? So medyo malayo yung pinarkingan namin over there, because there's a lot of cars. So, and it's sunny.
Malakihan kami ng braso. Yung braso ko, nangalahati. So, kaliit ang braso niya.
Oo, malaki na yung braso ko. Bubuhat ako eh. Nagbubuhat eh. Siya nagbuhat lahat. Because at work, she's the one who's carrying all of the heavy stuff, because I can't carry it. So yeah, so we're gonna start showing you all the restaurant over here.
Yan o.
Like this one, it's
Clothing styles.
ah
It's a clothing styles.
clothing.
Clothing. But we can try.
You want to, or are you hungry? Wow, it's so classy. We're gonna check that out later, no?
The thing that I go is that the other one, para kaya naman tayong mga turista dito.
Okay lang yun, turista naman talaga tayo eh. Right? Tapos bigla ako natapilokday, no? Guys, serious ba?
Uy, yan ang mahal.
Where? But it's on sale. Maybe they have good deals. Oh, clothing stuff as well. Lulu too. Okay. So now we're in the Red Bar Sushi. So here we go. Let's go inside, and as I checked Google earlier, they have 4.7 star ratings. In Facebook, 5 star. In Yelp, 4.5 stars. So we are looking forward to have a good experience in this place now. By the way, guys, this place is open Mondays through Sundays. Well, Monday to Friday they're open 11:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. and on Saturday, Sundays 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. and 9 p.m. It's very cozy here and I love the music. They also have wine, liquors, and beverages to choose from, and you can check their menu online at redbarsushi.net.
That's right. You from Winchester?
Yes.
Okay. Interesting place, Middleburg. All right. You guys want something to drink?
Oh, just water from me, please.
Just some water?
Yeah, just water with lemon.
Coming right up.
Oh my gosh. Ang init, Dai. Do you really want to stay here?
Ikaw na. Mas okay dito. Oh, Day, do you want like shrimp soft shell?
So this is their menu. You can just screenshot it,
They're like Korean
guys.
too, like spicy sriracha.
Really. Pero they said according to the reviews they have a good sushi.
May bulgogi sila. Baka gusto mo yan. I just get the shrimp and vegetable tempura.
Me, I'm going to get something that fits on my budget. So, they have lunch special. Is it 2:30 na? What time is it? They also have lunch special.
May ano din sila, may bento box if you want something.
Ayun nga, oh, bento box na lang. Lunch special pa, available daily until 2:30. So, I might as well get something from here. Can I have the sushi and sashimi combo?
Of course.
You can go inside, Mike, to take.
I can take a bit
Absolutely.
inside.
Yeah. I told them you were coming. What I told everybody was, yep, you guys are going to do a little vlog and take some pictures.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the first time I really stopped by here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I always just pass by here. I just don't know anything.
It's Middleburg. It's kind of pretentious, right?
Because it's the problem, the parking area. So you just park there near Nixon.
I know.
So hesitate.
It's a
It's
little
not gonna be towed because we just parked. So I don't know about this parking area.
Wait, where did you park?
The one near Nixon, but it says 7 to 7 p.m. Is that okay?
Should be fine. Right on the street, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you're fine. You can't be there for more than 3 hours, I think, or they'll write a ticket.
Okay.
So Middleburg has like 500 people, and about 12 of them are cops. And the cops, they'll be out all day writing tickets
Oh
for
my
anybody
gosh.
that wants to stay in one spot too long.
Okay. Okay, so no.
Thank you for the info.
You are
Yeah.
welcome. All right, we'll get started, guys.
Just go inside, guys.
Okay.
I will stay here.
Okay, bye, Mrs. Prowse. Can I go inside? So, here we go, guys. Here's what it looks like inside the Red Bar Sushi place. And as you can see, it's so clean, so gorgeous. There's also a bar section, and you can see the chef, or they are making the sushi and sashimi maki, or you order right here. It looks so delicious. Look at that. Wow, I really want to eat now. So yummy.
Oh God, for me, a fork.
That's okay.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, so we got the appetizer, got the miso soup, and according to him, what are the ingredients daw? Aside from tofu, tofu lang naintindihan ko eh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Picture na naman.
Video. So it's on air right now, on air talaga. So the miso soup is just, the guy said has just simple ingredients. Siomai.
Yeah, you need to take pictures of it. You're vlogging, so you need to take some pictures.
Okay.
I don't know how to take pictures.
Oo. Hindi picture. Naka-video to eh. ASMR nga. No.
Your turn, Smiley. What is that?
That one is soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
So what you can do?
Wow! That's
Yeah,
mine?
That's you.
Oh my
So you got a
gosh.
spicy tuna roll, and then your sushi we have salmon, bluefin tuna, yellowtail, and escalar. And over here we have the yellowtail. This one is a skipjack tuna. They sear it to give it a little bit of flavor. Shrimp, it's a freshwater eel called unagi. Tuna, this one is a madai, which is a Japanese red snapper, and a salmon belly. So it's got kind of lines in it, a little bit of fat in it. The texture is a little bit softer.
That's her.
Oh
Absolutely.
my. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yours will be right out.
Looks so good. Look at that. We have a lot of food to eat then.
Dito ako magpa-picture na kasi marami na ako pagkain.
Okay.
At saka,
So here's our order. So voluptuous. I'm so excited to eat all this. So
ate na yung pagkain mo tayo. You need to start para mawala yung lasa sa bibig mo.
okay, not yet done, but I'm gonna take it out from my husband. So after eating, we decided to walk and see cool stuff and cool cars around the area. Where I saw Porsche earlier. The other one.
I can do a lot of...
So hot.
For now.
Oh, there's an oyster bar
There's the one
below.
really on top.
The girls here are so hot. Look at that girl.
Yeah.
Uy, we can walk maybe. We can walk na. There's the Porsche. Okay. So we're gonna walk, and I'm wearing high heels, right? So I guess not really appropriate. Let's go. Where are we gonna go now? I've been here to this thrift shop. It's expensive.
Nandito ka na?
Yeah, I've been here.
Saan ba tayo mo pwede? Nandito ka na pala.
So I think that's just it, right?
Tara kasi may police day. Tara.
May kaso tayo, right?
Hindi, sasakyan natin. Baka makatikit ako.
Okay. So that's that. I'm gonna end this vlog here. We already showed you the Middleburg and the Red Bar Sushi. They have really good food. Staff are very friendly, and we recommend you to go there if you're around Middleburg area. It's Washington Street, and we're gonna put the exact address on the description below, and their contact information as well. So I'm having a hard time walking. Say bye na, Ate Mai. Bye.
Nag-heels ka pa kasi. Saan mo ba yung nabili?